In this video, I'm going to show you a few different methods on how you can make money on TikTok, and then if you stay to the end, I'm also going to show you my personal method on how I make money on TikTok, which generates me at least £1,000 per month. I want to cover something that most content creators don't talk about, which is quality over quantity. Depending on the method that you choose to make money on TikTok with will vary on the sort of audiences you need to attract and the style of content you need to produce. Personally, I don't actually like being in the limelight despite the videos I create. I like to generate money as fast as possible with as least followers as needed. But before we get into that, let me go over method number one. Method one is the live feature. Inside the live feature allows your audiences to send you presents. Each present represents a certain amount of money which your visitor would have spent their money on. Although this can earn a decent income, you really need a ton of viewers watching your live show. So for someone like me who doesn't like being the center of attention, this method isn't the best method for more introverted people. In order to go live, you need to meet a criteria, and that criteria is 1,000 followers. Once you have 1,000 followers, a new feature will appear when you click the record button. On the record button, you would scroll all the way to the right and then click live. Once you're live, this will then notify all of your current followers and will also appear in the general live newsfeed. At this stage, you'll have a ton of people joining and leaving, which is absolutely common, but it is your job to maintain their attention to the point where they feel like you're giving them enough value, whether that's through educational content or pure entertainment, where they then send you gifts, which will result in an income. The next method is sponsorships. This is probably one of the most well-known methods to earn an income, not just on TikTok, but on any social media platform. It's not unheard of people like Kim Kardashian, where they get paid by sponsors $1 million just to post a simple picture. But there are a few guidelines that you must take as a creator to be as transparent as possible. And just a quick disclaimer, this is not legal advice. Make sure you do your own checks, but this is what I know. In order to stay completely transparent, you must let your audience know one way or another that it is a paid sponsorship. Most influencers just put #ad in their descriptions, or they follow the intro with this video is sponsored by and then the company name. It's really important that you communicate this message with your audiences, because your audiences don't want to feel like they're being sold to, and quite frankly, people do like to complain. So cover your back and make sure you are transparent. So you might be wondering how sponsorships actually work. Well, it's really simple. A company will contact you for either a series of videos or 1 or 2 videos to be made, and in exchange they will either send you the actual product free of charge and for you to keep afterwards, or a sum of money under the agreement. As a creator, it is, once again, we're going back to the transparency side of things, so it's really important that even if a sponsor contacts you, it's best not to let them control your main theme of posting content. There's a reason why you've managed to grow your following to the size that you have, and it's not because of third-party firms telling you how and what your content should be. You should involve the product inside your current theme content without any manipulation or third-party ideas. Make it original and your audience will always respect you. You can earn a lot of money through sponsorships, and it's probably one of the #1 ways most people earn their fortunes. However, for people like me who don't really want to grow a massive audience and wants to capitalize off a smaller based audience due to my introverted nature, I personally prefer this method to make money. And what I'm about to share with you is the exact method that I use on a daily basis to generate an income. Here I am on my TikTok account. This TikTok account, from the date of this video, is about 6 months old. In a very short amount of time, I've managed to grow the account to about 41,700 followers, and in the last 7 days I've generated 126,000 views, and in the last 60 days we've generated just short of 1 million views. This is from posting 1 video a day 7 days a week, which takes me less than half an hour a week. Now, the method I'm going to be teaching you, which is the exact same method that I've been using to make money, and I tend to earn anywhere from £20 to £35 per 1,500 views. And considering most people think TikTok is just full of children and kids, etc., it is absolutely not. It's full of all sorts of different people, business people, freelancers, agencies, and also, of course, kids. On my screen, you can see I've got all sorts of videos, but most of these videos are basically showcasing softwares. softwares that people can go look at, go use, and go buy. Now, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing actually is, let me break it down for you before I move on to the next step of this whole method. Affiliate marketing is action-based marketing. You promote other people's products, and when they purchase through your reference, you earn a percentage of the sale. Now, depending on the niche that you're in will vary on the percentage, but for the niche that I'm in, which is software, the usual percentage is anywhere from 30 to 100% of the front end. In other words, if I'm promoting a £100 product and I've got a commission cut of, let's say, 50%, which is pretty typical, I would earn £50. So £50 would come to me and £50 would go to the product owner. Now, the way the sales are credited to me and not another affiliate marketer is by a special URL link, which acts as a tracking link. Each of these special URLs have a identifier that identifies me as the affiliate marketer, that this link belongs to me, which means that when a customer clicks on my link and goes purchases the product, that is credited to me because that is my identifier. So now if we head back into my TikTok account and we choose a tool, let's go with this one. You can see I'm talking about the software, giving them some basic information about it, showing them how it's used in a practical way, and then there was my URL. That URL is a URL that I completely control. So on my screen you can see a whole bunch of different style products that each one of these links are referencing a product. Now you can see right here, this domain is the only consistent thing here. So it's clicky.info/clicky.info/ and then the product name. This is a URL that I can control, and you can see under clicks I've had 81 unique people click on this link, which means that's 81 potential customers. If we go into that specific link, you can see the target URL is this link here, and then our link is this. Let's say in one of my TikTok videos I need to change the URL. Well, the URL is already built in to the TikTok video, so I can't change that. But because I own this URL here, I can change where that URL goes. So this will stay the same, but this URL will change, which means I will always be able to harness all the traffic. Since starting this account, you can see I am growing on almost a daily basis. I had just under 1 million views across my TikTok videos, which has translated into approximately £30,000 of sales, which has earned me about £8,358 commissions that can actually come into my account. You can see here that my next payout is £1,299, and I've still got £2,179 waiting as well. My method on TikTok with affiliate marketing and how I earn that income is very simply recording myself using the software, showing what it's about, and then using a link that I have full control of and sending people to click that link, which then if they buy, I earn an income. This is perhaps one of the most lucrative ways you can earn an income online, and it really doesn't require that much skill level. Now, one of my missions this year is to try and help as many people as possible grow their digital assets online, whether that's being on YouTube or TikTok. And when I say grow their digital assets online, I actually mean earn an income online. So I'd like to invite you to join my Facebook group. I'll leave a link below. In this Facebook group, you can ask me any sort of question you want, whether that's TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, any sort of social media channel that you need help growing on. Go ahead and ask the question, and either myself or someone from the community will give you some helpful advice. I do hope this video has helped you. If it has, be sure to click the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.